Get ready with me to go to a Harry Styles concert with IT Cosmetics. Okay, this is the outfit, so we're gonna do the eyes. Very pink, very dramatic. Okay, with the NYX Ultimate Eye Paint, we are doing a nice 1960s carve out of the lid. All right, we deepened up the outside half with a little bit of a hot pink shadow, and now I'm taking the e.l.f. liquid glitter, and we are painting this all on the inside where we put our NYX to look like this. All right, now it's time for the gems. We're gonna be here a while. All right, we're getting there, girl. We're getting there. We're done. I'm obsessed. I look crazy. I was between whether doing like a boy beat or full glam. I'm gonna do like a hybrid, so we're gonna keep the beard, but we're just gonna clean up around the bottom and up here. Now a little Yuma Beauty Trip and Smooth Primer. This stuff blurs like nobody's business. Now for foundation, we're using the Beauty Blender Bounce Skin Tint because it looks so beautiful and healthy in person, but the wear is incredible. I mean, look at this. Oh. All right, now we're gonna bronze up with the Revolution Cream Contour. I love this stuff. A little bit of the Rare Beauty Melting Blush in Nearly Rose. Can you even? Now a little bit of the Anastasia Magic Touch Concealer. Okay, I just set everything with the Yuma Beauty Trip and Smooth Powder. Look how blurred my skin is. This stuff is incredible. Okay, now we're punching up our bronzer, doing a little contouring with the Trixie Cosmetics bronzer. Oh, punching up our blush with the Kokie Gradient Blush. This one is in Heartthrob. It is my absolute favorite. Look at this. I finished up the lower lash line with the same hot pink I used on the top. Now we're gonna set everything with the Milk Hydro Grip Setting Spray. Little Sigma highlighter in Savannah. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm running so behind. So we did the NYX lip liner in Nude Beige, popped on a little lashes. Now I'm going in with the Jean-Luc liquid lipstick. Now a little NYX Butter Gloss in Madeline. Okay, makeup is done. Now let's change into this outfit. Okay, this is the outfit. Pink, bell bottoms. We're doing it with Steve Madden high tops. We have the jewelry, pearls, because Harry Styles, of course. And now I'm gonna get in the Uber and let's go. Okay, the lighting in this Uber was killer. I always am so nervous to go to brand events because believe it or not, I am very introverted, but everybody there was so sweet. IT Cosmetics, I mean, this entire suite like blew my mind. I cannot believe I get to be part of things like this now. And they're celebrating their confidence in a cream being reformulated, clean and more potent ingredients. It's always been one of my favorites. The concert was unbelievable. Harry Styles is absolutely incredible. I met so many amazing people. IT Cosmetics, I can't thank you enough.